your girl Raquel coming back to you with another video. It has been a while. I have missed you guys so much. And I've noticed that you guys like my hair review, so I'm coming to you with the hair review. This is a first impression unboxing. It's going to be a 3-part video, so stay tuned. And while you're here, you might as well go ahead and subscribe so that you'll be able to catch those other 2 videos of this hair review. So, I got a package yesterday, and I must really love you guys because I didn't open it. I know it was just real because I just ripped it, but I didn't open it. I wanted to wait so that we can get this first impression together. So this is from Yolissa hair. This is a, oh, that stinks. It has like a fishy smell, but this is a cute bag. I like this bag. It's Yolissa hair. It says love your life, love Yolissa hair. Isn't that cute? This bag stinks. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie. So, let's see. That's it. I got 3 bundles. Ooh, this hair is a little long. And a 13x6 frontal. I've never worn a 13x6 frontal before, but I've heard good things, and I think I looked at a review from Malibu. I think that was, I don't know, I seen a review somewhere. Oh, this is,
my God!
Like that.
Wow!
It's a big frontal, y'all.
Oh my
This
God!
hair is gorgeous. And it looks like it's already pre-plucked. But I'm going to go in and pluck it some more. I'm going to bleach the knots, and we're going to do all that together. It'll be a 3-part video. I'm going to color this hair like a burgundy-ish color. And then I'm going to make a unit out of this. So that'll be my three videos. But this is, look at that hair. Look how pretty. No shedding, and it's so soft. I got straight hair. I believe this is a 20-inch 13x6 frontal. I got two bundles of 22. No, 2 bundles of 24 and 1 bundle of 22. So let's open up these bundles, child. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I don't think I've ever worn long hair like this before. This hair is everything. It looks like the longer the hair gets, the thinner it is. But that's why I got 2 of the 24-inch bundles so that the unit can be kind of thick. And then with the 13x6 frontal, they state that you usually only need 2 bundles because the frontal is so, look how big that is. The frontal is so big, it takes up so much space. And I don't like big, thick, bulky wigs because my head is small. But this is that's the West. Y'all, this hair is so soft. Let me put this back in the pack so I don't mix up. Will it mix up with the bundles? I don't know. We'll see. Look at that. The hair doesn't smell, but this bag smells. The hair doesn't smell, but that bag smells. It smells a little fishy. But this hair is so beautiful. And the ends, these are the ends. They're not all straggly or anything like that. I don't really see any split ends or anything. I'm so excited. Like I said, this hair is from Yolissa hair. What I'll probably do is take and leave the link in the bottom in the description box so that you guys can go check out this hair. I ordered this hair, I believe, on the weekend, Saturday or Sunday, and it just got here yesterday. Yesterday was Friday. That concludes my first impression on this Yolissa hair. I love it so far. So my next video, like I said, is gonna be us dyeing this hair. I am not gonna bleach it. I don't want to bleach the hair. I'm just gonna dye it. Hopefully it takes. If it does, or if it doesn't, oh well. But we're gonna try it out and see what happens. So stay tuned, subscribe if you do not want to miss those videos, so that you can come back, hit that notification bell if you definitely want to be able to know whenever that video was posted without a delay. And then we're gonna be making this into a unit. So stay tuned, come back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Bands in the coop. Touch me out.